Now we are going to do some fractions. This one, there's another method we can do. 1/4 plus 1/6. What you do is cross multiple. We call cross. 4 and 6 I multiple. You got 24. You are correct. You got 24, right? And multiple this way, cross this. And multiple this way, cross, right? Cross, right? Remember that. Then 1/6. 1 times 6?
6.
Yeah. Plus 1 times 4. Right?
10.
Yeah. Now 1 times 6, 6 plus 4 divided by 24. That is 10 over 10 over 24. Now you have to get the half, right? Middle. That means you have to divide by 2. When you divide the top part. Earlier divide bottom part, this one top part. 5 over 24. You get the half number. Right? 5 over 24. Maybe cross multiple may be easy. That either I make it same on the bottom or cross multiple. Normally I remember both method. Oh, sorry. Did you write it? Do you want to erase?
Yeah, I already wrote it.
Okay. Now can you try 2 over 3, 1 over 4? Can you find the first? Just do the addition first. Can you try any method?
Okay. I got 5.5 out of 12.
5 over 12.
I got
Is
yeah.
it?
Yeah, 5.5 out of 12.
Okay, we'll see. I do the cross multiple this way and bottom this way. 3 times 4, 12. That's correct. Here 4 times 2, 8.
8.
Plus 3 times 1.
3.
11 over 12. Got it? I'm not asking midpoint. Midpoint you have divided by 2. But answer is 11 over 12.
Yeah.
You answer not correct, right? Correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay, can you fix it?
Okay.
Now we are doing the subtraction fraction. 3 over 6 minus 1 over 4. Can you find out? Do in the book, please. Can you write on your book, please?
Okay.
Yeah, work on your book.
How do you do this?
It's the same thing. Instead of plus, it's a subtract. You take away on the top.
So like 6 minus 4?
No, you do the same cross method, but only this symbol become minus. See, this one become minus.
So 6 times 4 is 24. 3 times 4 equals 12. And 1 times 6 equals 6. And that equals 18. So 1824.
6 times 4, 24. 3 times 4, 12. 6 times 1. Right? 3 times 4, 12. Minus 6 divided by 24.
Oh, minus.
Yeah, minus. That's I said.
So 6. So 1/4.
6 over 24. Got it?
Yeah.
You know, 6 over 24, you make it simple fraction. We call simple fraction mean whatever you divide by top, you can divide by bottom.
So 1/4.
1/4. Yeah. Now you know how to do fraction addition. You know how to do fraction subtract.
Yeah.
And I teach you a little bit extra how to divide fraction or how to multiple fraction, right? It's different. 2 over 3 times 1 over 4. In that case, you don't do cross multiple, you just multiple on the top and you multiple bottom. Is easy. 2 times 1, 2.
So 3 12s?
12.
1/4.
1 over 6.
No. 1/6.
Yeah, right? Now next one, you do this example. 4 9 times 3 over 8. That is multiple. Nice.
Only 72.
Yeah, 4 times 2, 3, 12. This is 72,
Yeah,
right?
12 72. 12 72.
Yeah. Then you can
1/6.
106. You know that there's another method. We will cut top and bottom. If you cut top by 4, 4 divided by 4, right? It's 1. If you divide top, you can do any number, bottom, same thing. 8 divided by 4, 2. Right? I divided by both top and bottom by 4. And here I can do 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. I have to divide by bottom 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. Now it's very small now. 1 by 1 now, 1. 3 by 2 is 6. You know, instead of bigger numbers, straight away you can cut. Top and bottom, same number, right? You want to write down this one also with the cutting marks, right? People do different ways. Sometimes some people like 4 by 3, 12, 9 by 8, 72, then simplify. Otherwise, I can cut straight away. I saw that top and bottom and divide. You learn different technique. It's easy to do math. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Same time, because you are doing fraction, I quickly teach you division. 1/4 divide 1/2, right? So what we do is the second fraction, we make it upside down. Then what we do is and multiple. 1/4 multiple, this one go up, this one go down. 2 go up is 2, 1 go down is 1. Now you know how to do multiple. Division we cannot do. What we do is make it multiple. Second number, we make it opposite. Then 1/2, 2. 4/1, 4. This is half. Got it? It has another step. Division become multiple and do it. Got it? Example, 1/9 multiple by 2/3. Can you try?
Okay. Eight 18.
Try 1/9 times 3 go up, 2 go down. 3/2. 3/18. Yeah. And also you can cut. Top cut by 3, 1. Bottom cut by 3, 6. You can simplify. Right? 1/6. Okay, that's all for fraction today. Huh? Now you learn fraction addition, you learn fraction subtracting, you learn fraction multiple, and you learn fraction divide. That's good. Later stage you do more works, you can easily understand. Now try this one. This is like a brain question, you're thinking. 5 plus 5 is 1. 6 plus 7 is 4. 12 plus 9 is 3.
That one is easy.
Okay. What is the answer?
The answer should be it's something plus something minus 9. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. 8 D.
Yeah, 8. 17 mean 1 plus 7, right? How do you get 8? How do you get 8?
Because 5 plus, if you look at the first one, 5 plus 5 equals 10, minus 9 equals 1. 6 plus 7 equals 13, minus 9 is 4. 12 plus 9 minus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21, minus 9 is 3. So if 8 plus 9 is 17, minus 8 would be 8. I mean, minus 9 would be 8.
Yeah, that's good. That is a rule, right? Now also I found another rule. Your rule is that's correct. Answer is right. What I saw is 5 plus 5 is 10. Then you add these two digits together. 1 plus 0, 1. Right? 6 plus 7, 13. You add these two together. 4. 12 plus 9, 21. You add this together. 3. Correct? 8 plus 9, 17. Add this together. 8. That's also correct. Got it? You are right. Your answer is perfect. Yeah. But when I saw, I found this rule. I did see your rule, actually. That's mean there are two rules actually apply here. Now next one, sequence. Did you find the number? The missing number?
What is the missing number?
137.
Number 9. I said B. It divides by 4. No, it divides by 7. 7. Divides by 7.